Yeah, I came in here last night late to water everything, and I noticed that something back here in the very back has been nibbling on these plants, and there's a shredded kind of, and it's not a bug type bite either. I'm pretty sure it's a deer. I come in here and because I haven't got the plastic on the doors and all yet, because I wanted that ventilation to come through here good. They've been coming in here and munching on my stuff, so I can't put the plastic on the back of the greenhouse because I don't dare want to raise the temperature up. So I took a cattle panel that I had and just stood that up and drug that around here and put that across the back. That'll keep the big stuff out. If it's something else coming in here like a raccoon or something or a possum, which I can't understand because there's no taste or flavor or anything to the leaves. And there's very few tomatoes and peppers to eat yet, but I don't know. Anything's possible nowadays. So I got that up there, got the cattle panel up, and that'll deter the big stuff. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm trying to organize some of this stuff and looking for bolts for the finish repairing the tanks. I've been drilling all the holes for those. I'm about worn out. My back is killing me from reaching out and up trying to drill the holes in these huge tanks. But I got this one started good. I got the bottom. I gotta get a post or a 2x4 or something and prop the tank up so I can go up inside underneath of it and put the nuts on the bolts that I put on this morning. Then I got all these side panel pieces that's got to be glued and bolted. But the bolts that I just found outside in the shed out there are not long enough. I took this one right here and it's too short. That's only 3/8 to a 1/2 inch. And both of these pieces are 1/4 inch, I think, so I got no thread on there. I've got all of these put in. They're all started. I didn't final seal them. I've just got a temporary, just a hold in place silicone coating. Once I get the nuts and washers on inside and get them tightened down with my power drill, I can come back and go over these with one more heavy coat of silicone, just like all of these will get. But that means I got to go buy 50 count box of probably 3/4 bolts so I can get this done, get this tank done, because here shortly we're going to get the hole finished being dug out, and then the two that go right next to it. And I got a couple other little small jobs I got to do, and then we'll be on our way to finishing this bad boy up, or at least getting the construction phase done and get it to where it's all settled and ready for winter. And I'm going to be mixing in worm casting and compost, composted cow manure and sawdust, a couple other goodies in there in the flower bed to try and bring the richness level up on it. And then I got this tank here, and then that one there I need to work on. I got the mini excavator hopefully coming, and I'm going to take and see if I can turn that over and get him to take the bucket and push that ding out of it. I might have to heat it up with a torch and get it warmed up. That way its memory will come back to the plastic. Try and get that big ding out of it. I don't care about the creases in the side unless they got holes in them. I'll fix those. And I've got the parts to cut out yet to go for that. And I got a scrap pile generated. And then of course I got the disc cut out for the other two tanks for the bottoms. The little elderberry bush is doing all right. It was just a single stick when I got it. On the National Arbor Day, they had a tree giveaway. I got that. Got two of them. One of them died. And now I got garlic planted in there too. Some garlic right there. Some over there and there. Let's get it ready. Put it in shade here. And I'll move it out in the sun in the fall. Other than that, I'm just pilling around doing little small jobs today. It's not that hot. breeze is blowing. It's pretty nice out here. But I've run out of little small things that I can do because I don't have the parts to do the stuff with. I got a tire that needs to be fixed on my tractor, and I can't do nothing with that because I don't have the money to go get it fixed. It's going to have a tube in it. So that's the way it goes, Joe. Back in the house watching old movies. Talk to you later. Have a good weekend. Bye.